A mortar mix contains cement, lime, and sand in the ratio 1 to 2 to 9. Calculate the amount of cement in a mortar mix of 42 kilograms. Now, the question wants us to determine the amount of cement in a mortar mix of 42 kilograms. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to determine what is 1 equal part. Now, 1 equal part is going to be 42 kilograms divided by 1 plus 2 plus 9. Now, we have the sum, and the reason why we add them up because that's going to be the sum of our equal parts. So 1 to 2 to 9, we add up those numbers. And we use 42 because 42 is given in the question. So 42 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 9. What is 1 plus 2 plus 9? That's going to give us 12. And so 42 kilograms divided by 12 is going to be 3.5 kilograms. That's 1 equal part. But we want to figure out the amount of cement in the mortar mix. Now, cement accounts for 1 equal part. And so that means that in order for us to determine the amount of cement, it's going to be 3.5 multiplied by 1 because it's only 1 equal part that is for cement. And so cement is going to be 3.5 kilograms. And so the amount of cement in a mortar mix of 42 kilograms is 3.5 kilograms. Next, the question states that we want to determine the amount of sand in the mortar mix containing 7 kilograms of lime. Now, in order for us to do this, we're going to determine what is 1 equal part. Now, 1 equal part is going to be 7 kilograms divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because lime, notice here that cement accounts for 1 equal part, lime accounts for 2 equal parts. And so we know that we have 7 kilograms of lime, which is 2 equal parts, but we only want 1 equal part. And so we're going to divide 7 by 2 to get 1 equal part. And 7 divided by 2 is definitely 3.5 kilograms. So 1 equal part is 3.5 kilograms, but we want sand. We want the amount of sand in the mortar mix. And so sand is 9 equal parts. Notice that here that sand accounts for 9 equal parts. We're going to take our 1 equal part and multiply it by 9. And so 3.5 multiplied by 9 is 31.5 kilograms. And so the amount of sand in the mortar mix is going to be 31.5 kilograms. And that's our answer for this question. Next, the question wants us to calculate the amount of the total amount of mortar mix containing 54 kilograms of sand. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is determine what is 1 equal part. Now, 1 equal part is going to be 54 divided by 9. We know that because sand is 9 equal parts, so sand accounts for 9 equal parts. And if we know that we have 54 kilograms of sand, that is 9 equal parts. And so we're going to take 54 divided by 9 to figure out what is 1 equal part. And so when we divide them, we get 6 kilograms, and 6 kilograms is 1 equal part. But we want to figure out the total amount of the mortar mix. And so that's going to be cement, lime, and sand. And so we have to take our 1 equal part and multiply it by the sum of our equal parts, which is going to be 12. So 6 kilograms multiplied by 12 is going to be 72. So that means that the total amount of the mortar mix is going to be 72 kilograms. And 72 kilograms is our answer for this question.